This is the most powerful psychedelic that exists. So, of course, I decided to try this out, given the fact that I've been pursuing enlightenment now for 3 years, pretty hardcore, and I talk a lot about the ego, so what would it look like to get 100% pure ego death? How radical of a shift in paradigm and perspective you would experience if you ceased to exist in reality. What then will be your experience if there is no more you? Well, that's a very interesting question. I can still remember myself sitting on the couch in that moment where it felt like my entire life changed completely. And what I became aware of is that it's absolutely infinite. Reality is absolutely infinite. Absolutely infinite. It's absolutely infinite. It's just absolutely infinite. And what happened to me is I died. Leo died. And I became absolute infinity. Up being absolutely free. It's free to be any way that it can be. This is what God means